What?
Mommy.
What?
Mommy Smith.
What?
Mommy.
What do you want?
Mommy Smith.
You want to watch Joseph Smith?
Yeah. Mommy.
You're so cute. You want to go sit down and watch Joseph Smith?
Yeah.
Okay, go sit down. And I'll put it on for you. Go sit down. I'll put it on. Go sit down. Just a minute. Yay. Just a minute. Oops.
Oh, what happened?
I dropped it. Thanks. You want to go sit down and watch it, Hunter? Is this it, Mace? Is this it? Is that it?
Smith.
Yeah.
I get a wee.
You did?
Small beginnings
Yeah, I get a wee.
come to pass.
You.
A boy stepped into a quiet grove looking for answers. A seed of faith had been nurtured in the soil of western New York.
But
In
to
time, it would
eat
blossom and then bear fruit. It would grow to filled ears.
what to eat that?
Millions would find renewed faith in Jesus Christ.
What to eat
All
that?
from one small step.
Mason, you like this movie?
Yeah. Oh wow, big one.
Big one.
Yeah, big one. Big one? A kitty cat. I don't dare fear.
Kitty cat.
It's a man.